Hello students, my name is Suresh Kumar Seni and our today's topic is arithmetic progression. Before starting to this topic, we can discuss some examples through which you can easily understand what is arithmetic progression. After that, we can discuss about the how to find the nth number and some basic terms of arithmetic progression. So let's start the topic. Okay, general things in our daily life we can see that suppose Reena is a girl and he got a job in a company and company offer a starting salary of 8,000 and an increment of 500 in each years. Okay, so Reena's salary of first year is 8,000, second year is 8,500, third year 9,000 and fourth year is 9,500. Okay, similarly Ram is a boy and he start to save some money for future use and his first saving is 5,000 and next month saving is 200 in each month, 200 in each month. Similarly next is in traffic light a cab is passing in some time duration. Okay, time is 10 second and 20 second, 30 second and 40 second. In all the examples you can observe that the difference between terms is equal. Okay, suppose you can say that the term is difference is 500, this is 500, this is also 500, this is 200, this is 200 and 200. So we can easily find a result in these examples. Next succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Okay, so we can understand the basic definition of arithmetic progression, that what is arithmetic progression. So easily find arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. Write down this arithmetic progression list of numbers in which next number is obtained by adding a fixed number in the preceding number except first term. Okay, so in this example 10 is the first term and second term is obtained by adding a fixed number 10, such as third term adding a fixed term in second and after that fourth term adding a fixed number of 10 in preceding term. So we can easily find a list of number which is called arithmetic progression, in which succeeding number is obtained by a fixed number in preceding term. Okay, first term of this arithmetic progression is called first term and this common difference between the terms is called common difference and it is denoted by T and first term is denoted by A. Okay, let us assume that first term is A1, second term is A2 and we can easily find the arithmetic progression A1, A2, A3 and so on An. Okay, An is the nth term of this given AP. Okay, we can find the nth term by this formula easily. Okay, and next is suppose A is the first number, A is the first number and D is the common difference. So with the help of A and D we can find general equation of arithmetic progression which is given here. A, we can add common difference D in preceding number. So next term is A plus D, next is A plus 2D or next is A plus 3D. Okay. Next is types of AP. Okay, so basically arithmetic progression is two types, finite and infinite. In finite we have limited terms. Suppose this is finite AP because they are given in the AP there are limited term, this term is 4. Okay, in next infinite AP, so given AP is infinite because there is no limited term or okay. Let's we start we understand the topic through an example. Okay, question is this is an AP. Okay, or term is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay, we tell you first term is called first number, sorry, first term. So first term is denoted by A and A is equals to 5, and common difference between these AP 5, 5, 5. Okay, so common difference is denoted by D and D is equals to 5. Okay, in this AP find out nth number. Okay, which is we can assume 7. Okay, so n is equals to 7. Formula of an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, put the value of given question. A n is equals to 7, a is equals to 5 plus n 7 minus 1 into d is equals to 5. Okay, we can solve it. 5 plus 6 into 5. 5 plus 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to 30, and 5 plus 30 is equals to 35. So 35 is the 7th term of given AP. Okay, so 7th term is equals to 35. We can take another example.